So why will students be excited about learning this subject? Hello there, my name is Jimmy, a certified Bitcoin professional by the Cryptocurrency Consortium, and I'm very excited for you to be with us today. In this course, Create and Monetize Your Simple Bitcoin Website, you will learn how to create a simple Bitcoin themed website that will make you passive income with some promotion. But already have a website? Then this course will teach you how to monetize your website with Bitcoin or Bitcoin related products. So this really is an exciting time that you'll be learning and discovering a whole multitude of Bitcoin resources and can begin making money immediately. So the process is very simple and anyone can do this. We'll begin with setting everything up before you purchase your website. You even don't have to purchase your own domain and hosting if you so desire. Now, isn't that exciting? Next, we'll be going over how to best set up your simple website for optimal performance. I'll be showing you my website as well for examples along the way. Third is going over how to begin receiving Bitcoin with our methods. Nothing gets left behind. Fourth is monetizing your website with Bitcoin related content, getting paid in currency. Lastly, we'll be going over content and distribution. And that's pretty much it. So want to get started? Simply enroll in this course and I will be here to answer any and all questions you may have. So see you on the inside of the course. Bye, and I'll see you there.